Okay, come. It's given that y equals to where given that p plus q equals to 6. Okay, wow, this one a little bit. And d square y equals to 12 when x equals to 0. Calculate the value. Wow, this one means that when they ask you to calculate the value of p and q, wow, do you see this or not? Wow, this is 8 marks eh. This is 8 marks eh. You all better open your eyes big, open your ears big. Okay? So first, we can see that d square y dx square is involved, so that means I know that I need to differentiate 2 times. So before I differentiate, let me tell you the 3 rules of differentiation of 3 go. Okay, so differentiation of sine x. Again, this one is not for G2, it's only G3 students that will learn differentiation of 3 go. Okay, so differentiation of sine x is cosine x. Differentiation of cosine x is equals to minus sine x. Okay, differentiation of tangent x is equals to secant square x. Okay, so now since my y is cosine px plus sine qx, let's differentiate. So you must know p is actually just number, q is also number. So to differentiate cosine, you can see that it's actually minus sine. So it means it's just minus sine px multiplied by differentiate the inside, which is a p. Okay, plus differentiate sine is cosine x. So I will say that this is cosine qx, again multiplied by differentiate the inside, which is a q. So I rewrite it, it will look like minus p sine px plus q cosine qx. This is dy dx. I need to do one more time of differentiation because d square y dx square is involved. So let's differentiate one more time, means you refer to this one and differentiate one more time. So differentiate minus p, okay, differentiate sine px, I will have cosine px multiplied by p. So in this case, this is minus p squared cosine px. Okay, then now we differentiate this one. So differentiate cosine is minus sine. So this one become minus q sine qx multiplied by q, because you differentiate the inside is a q. So it becomes minus q squared sine qx. Okay, so this is my d square y dx square. So now this is this, which is this. Okay, the y is referring to this. What else? Any more? They never use dy dx. The dy dx was only my it's only for me to do my d square y dx square. Okay, so now given that okay, so p plus q so my p plus q is 6, though this is my equation 1. So my equation 2 is this one, right? So and somehow they tell us that when x equals to 0, so let's sub in. So d square, so I'm going to do, so I write d square y dx square plus q square y equals to 12 when x equals to 0. So let's sub it.